Here's another side hustle if you have no money to get started, you don't want to show your face, and you're lazy. Part 2. And we're actually going to use ChatGPT to do all of the heavy work for us. Step number 1, you're going to go to chat.openai.com. Once you're all logged in, you're going to go to this bar and you're going to type this prompt. I'm going to leave it on the screen. I'm asking ChatGPT to create a 100% unique and complete ebook about Keto for men. You can do this for any subject. Hit OK and see the magic happens. Next, you're going to go to canva.com. You're going to type ebook and we're going to choose ebook template. Choose a free template that you like. Take everything that ChatGPT gives you and just put it inside of your ebook. Once you've done that, you're going to go to share and then you're going to download it as a PDF. Since this is a digital download, there's no shipping and you're not going to deal with the customers yourself. You're going to go to payhip.com and then you're going to sell your ebook. You can also go to this website and sell your ebook all over again. If you want to learn how I made $100,000 for just promoting one single product that I don't even own, comment below and I'll tell you exactly how I did it.